Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can easily see that I am your host, anchor, teacher, and my why I'm trying just because that my audience gonna be fluent, okay? Because now it's okay. I won't repeating. Look, I know I'm repeating two or three things in each and every video. Yes, I know, but what should but I think it's a need to my audience because you see I know the what is the process of the content creation journey. I mean content creation journey. I think it's really important that people need two or three things very carefully. I mean two or three things really should understand carefully. First, you have to practice daily yourself, okay? Otherwise you won't grow. Just give at least 15-20 minutes. Just watch my content. First rule is, and then just practice yourself at least 10 minutes. Then you're gonna automatically grow up, okay? So yes, here are some spelling and their meaning, okay? Okay, now we're gonna discuss below the belt. Below the belt, beside oneself, beside the mark, big defense, by the dust. Now on the spot, look on the spot, I will make a 4 or 5 sentence, 6 or 7 sentence. Look, this is how you're gonna learn, this is how you're gonna think, that this is how you're gonna speak English, okay? So below the belt, it's about you cheated someone others. You are fighting to each other, and someone was not ready, but you kick them below the belt. I know that. Look, in tier 1 city, tier city, you can easily see that there are too many martial arts academy in every 1 kilometer and 2 kilometer, okay? Every 1 kilometer and 2 kilometer you're gonna see this kind of martial art, judo, karate, okay? So, and then you can see that, then you can easily see the martial note. Look, so there are 2 or 3 rings. Look, I have not a full information, but I have information that there are 3 belt, that black belt, red belt, and blue belt. These are 3 kind of properties in martial arts. So where you can easily look. I'm not that profession, so I don't know about that too much, okay? But yes, you can relate it to below the belt, that you cheated someone others, you cheated other, and it's not a good look. I'm telling you, cheating is not a good. You think that you are a very clever person because you cheated someone and he doesn't know, and you are a so smart one, you are so clever enough, you are very sharp enough. No, it's just a stupidity. I'm telling you why cheating is stupidity. I'm giving you an example. Look, there are 100 people in a room, okay? Look, if 100 people lying to each other and everyone think that they are smart one, everyone think that he is the smart one, he is the greatest one, he is the clever one. You really think he is a clever? No, he is just a stupid person in a whole room, because all 100 people are lying to each other, are manipulating to each other. So if we are manipulating to each other, then you think you are a smart one. No, you are not a smart one, you are a foolish one, okay? It's a harsh truth, but it's truth, and you have to accept it. So if Look, prank is good. I am a full prankster. You can't even think that what can I prank I can do with anything. Anything. Give me anything and I will make his brain rotten. But so prank is good and everyone should do prank because they prank are good for us. But if you are cheated to someone just because you think that you are a smart one and it's your own benefit, you harm to someone, then it's not a good human quality. Okay, I'm telling you, it's not a good human quality. Beside oneself, it's about that you are too excited about this job, you are too excited about this match. This match is gonna be thrill, this match is gonna be it's like a tremendous feeling. Okay, so you are just excited and you are just waiting to someone, that you are just excited about something. Okay, beside the mark, beside the mark, it's about it's not a good thing. I mean, if you look, I'm a very good storyteller, and look, my favorite one is Munshi Premchand, Mahadevi Verma, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. I mean, Munshi Premchand and Mahadevi Verma, these two are my most favorite writer in a whole world, not in whole India. I'm telling you, Munshi Premchand and Mahadevi Verma are my one of the most favorite writer in a whole world. I mean, they are, I mean, if you are just you can understand the human feelings, you really, I am telling you, you have a very goosebumps if you see just Munshi Premchand Godan. I mean, there are a lot of Namak Ka Daroga, and also same goes with Mahadevi Verma. I mean, what they are legendary. I mean, you will stuck in a loop. I mean, you will disappear in their story. Okay, so how, I mean, deep sense, it's like ocean. Munshi Premchand and Mahadevi Verma is like ocean. And you believe, and would you believe Munshi Premchand died in a 33 years? Would you believe it? And what kind of story, how many story he gave to us, how many, I mean, I don't really understand why our Indian cinema don't pick up the I mean, in Doordarshan, we are a kid of Doordarshan, so I have seen that in Doordarshan many are drama who are belongs to from Namak Ka Daroga, Godan, but I never saw a movie. But really, Bollywood movie really should movie to Namak Ka Daroga and Godan. Look, this is how can we, our narrator, to send to the whole world. It's really important that everyone should know about who's Munshi Premchand, who's Mahadevi Verma. I mean, these are our India. These are our India. It's we are who we are. Okay. Big difference. It's about you. Look, it's about obey and disobey. Obey. Someone give you order. I mean, if I am a king, and if you are my public, and I'm giving you order, and you are disobey this order. I mean, be defense to the order. So you can relate that you are either a obey person or you are a disobey person. Okay, either you are follow the rule or you are not follow the rule. Either you are a good citizen, either you are a bad citizen, and bad citizen, you can easily see there are 1,000. I mean, right now I think the most trending topic in the YouTube, I think that one where you can see that where you can easily see there are civic sense. Everyone talk about civic sense. Yes, so either you are a good Indian citizen or you are a bad Indian citizen. If you don't love your own country, then what anyone can accept you. I'm telling you. I mean, I don't really think. I mean, if you not love your country, then what do you think you are expecting someone and yourself? What do you think? Bite the dust. Bite the dust. It's about match. You are lost something. You bite the dust. I mean, bite the dust like you gonna lose yourself. You lose yourself. Bite the dust. I think there are many example which we can relate to this. Okay, so yes, I have made enough of video for my audience, and I hope that my audience are watching each and every day. And just I'm telling you, just like, share, and subscribe my channel so I can make a more content for you. Look, I'm giving you this whole year in 2026 to this content creation journey, so I can see myself and I can put myself and I can see that what I have that I can give to the world, what I have that I can serve to my nation. Okay, yeah, it's very really important. If you are look, now we are 147 crore. If you still don't wake up, then when you wake up, okay, when you wake up, if you still you don't wake up, then it's going to be very tough. Okay, so yes, thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल. ओके.